So, very good afternoon, everyone. I thank the Women on Women platform for giving this opportunity to me to share my views. And so, I'm Dr. Shalini Dadwal, and I'm a practicing psychotherapist. I want to share that women are basically the sons of their family. So when I say the word sun, I mean sun. So just like the sun, burns itself to illuminate the world, so we also do the same. We are always there, for our families, comforting, nurturing, embracing, holding the family together. And even we know that the sun, even is shining through, even during the stormiest of days, it is shining behind the clouds. So this is what even women do, so whether we are sick, we are emotionally down, or facing other hardships, still we will continue to take charge, smiling through all. But I also want to share that basically, the biggest enemy of women are women themselves, because it becomes very difficult for many women to build another or other women, because because over centuries the way we have been manipulated, controlled. So I think we're always fighting, or probably that spirit to not let others surpass us. I think that really takes a precedence, and we are not able to apparently support unconditionally our fellow sisters, or I would say the fellow women that we know around us. So gossiping, criticizing, complaining comes very naturally and easily to women, and kitchen politics, social politics are just too common. And I've come across women, who at first meeting, they might come across as very, very strong women, but it is just a facade that they have put on. Basically, all their strength is coming from, the clothes they wear, the brands that they, have, or even, the makeup artist they are, visiting. So basically, a very, very frivolous way to live indeed. So, so this is the 21st century, guys. Let's lead a very meaningful life. No one can live forever. No one will remember you for the brands you wore or how many cupboards full you had, but definitely people will remember you for the unconditional love and the lives that you support. Over here, I want to just share a very beautiful example, that when Napoleon Bonaparte, the great warrior, who, he was known for his, the countries that he, fought, and and he reigned, so basically, towards the end of his life, he shared that, when he's being taken to be buried, his hand should be out of his shroud. And why he said so? Because he wanted to give a message, a strong message to the populace, that that we come with nothing, and we also go with nothing. And we know that many Eastern philosophies advocate this concept of karma, where we say that it is only our karma that will go with us and nothing else. So in the end, I would say that let us really take charge of our destiny, by taking complete control of our lives. So why do I say that? Because when women do not take charge of their lives, especially their careers, their finances, so they are subject to easy manipulation and control. So let us help each other, again I repeat, help each other to build ourselves. Let's really help women or our fellow sisters around the world, to stand up and be on an equal footing with the other gender. So let's shine on like the sun, and that too very, very powerfully. Let's extend unconditional support to each other. And believe you me, I've heard this very, very beautiful this saying that we say that the world can be changed by courageous women, and let us be those courageous women. And all the best. Let's shine on, and take care. Bye bye. Thank you.